Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the chapter progressions, okay, or introduction and concepts. This one already we discussed in the previous video, but today in this video I am going to discuss some more patterns in the real world, how it will be, okay, and we will discuss some more examples based on that patterns. Okay, let's start. See here, I have mentioned some points, some more points on pattern. See, guys, in our daily life, we will observe some patterns, right? So that is the petals of flowers, the holes of honeycomb, the grains of maize cob. Okay, so how it looks like, guys? It looks like some pattern, right? Suppose if you consider the flowers, the petals of a flowers, how it will be in the first row, it will be 5 or 6 petals. The second row, it will be 8 petals. The third row, it will be 9 or 10 petals. So it will be in increasing order, right? Okay, so some flowers are following some pattern, right? So similarly, the honeycomb, the holes of honeycomb, how it will be? It will be in the shape of a hexagon, the hole. Okay, the first row it may be either 5 holes, the second it will be 6, the third it will be in 7, but all will be of same shape, guys. Okay, so if you observe in each and every row it will be increasing with certain number. Okay, the certain number we already discussed, that is a fixed number, we call it as common difference. Okay, let me explain in detail. Here we are talking about petals of flowers, right? So petals of flowers having, I have mentioned some approximate, guys. It may not be same for every flower. Okay, petals of flower having petals 5 in the first row and 7 in the second row and 9 in the third row, so on. So I have drawn a rough figure here. So in the first row it have 5 petals, the second row it is 7 petals, the third row it will be having 9 petals. So it is goes on increasing, right? So from this example, guys, what do you observe? So we observe that in each pattern there is some difference, right? See, if you take the first 2 rows, so what did you observe? In the first row it is 5 rows, in the second row it is 7 rows, and third row it is 9 rows, and fourth is 11, like that. So what is the what is the difference of each and every row? So there is a 2 difference, right? So that 2 is a fixed number for each row. Okay, it is only an example, guys. Okay, it may be differ if for other flowers. Okay, so that 2 is a fixed number called as common difference or fixed number. It is denoted by small d. We already discussed these terms in the previous video. Coming to second example, honeycomb. Honeycomb having 5 holes in the first row, 6 holes in the second row, 7 holes in the third row, 8 holes in the fourth row, like that, so on. It will be in increasing order. So I have drawn a rough figure here. See here. In the first